Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login It. In this guide video, I will show you how to one-time reload on Amazon gift card balance. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Amazon application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Amazon has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So in order to one-time reload, what you have to do is tap on the person icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like your orders, buy again, your interest, etc. So simply scroll down. In this interface, you'll be able to find the section for gift card balance. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your gift card balance interface. You'll be able to see your gift card balance over here. Also, you'll be able to manage your balance. You'll be able to find several options for managing your balance. At second, you'll be able to find the option for reload your balance. So simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for reload type. You'll be able to find several options like one-time reload, low balance auto reload, etc. Make sure one-time reload option is selected. Now what you have to do is enter your reload amount over here. You'll be able to see some specific amount right over here. You can also tap on it, or you can also enter other amount by simply tapping on the field other amount. Now simply enter the amount over here. Now after entering the amount, what you have to do is tap on the option buy now. The delivery will be within 5 minutes. Keep in mind this item is not returnable. After you tap on the option buy now, you'll initiate the transaction. You will be taken to a confirmation page to review your order. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Once the transaction is successful, the funds will be added to your Amazon gift card balance. So that is how you one-time reload on Amazon gift card balance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.